Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's create a Google Ads account. Okay, so what is Google Ads? Google Ads was previously it was Google AdWords, and now they rename it like Google Ads. So if you hear something like Google AdWords, Google Ads, it's the same thing. Okay, but it happens that Google Ads is a new name. Okay, so let's get started. So if you don't know how to go to here in this dashboard, you just need to go to google.com to your browser, type Google Ads, or maybe you will try Google AdWords. So that's it. And then there is a link here. You need to read this one, ads.google.com, because the URL of the Google Ads is ads.google.com. Okay, so just click that, and then you just need to wait. So there is two options here, upper right side, sign in or get started. So you don't need to get started because assuming that you have a Google account or Gmail already. So if you have Gmail account, then you need to sign in. If you don't have any account, then you get started. Okay, so let's go to sign in because I have email already. So before entering with the Google Ads, you need to change your language. Here, my language here is Filipino, so I need to change it into English. Okay, why you need to change it to the English? Because if you are a business owner, and then in the future you will be hiring a Google Ads manager, or yeah, something like that. It's very easy for us to understand. So you need to set your information into English because yeah, English is the common or common language. So I just prefer that you need to change your language first before entering or before you sign in. Okay, so you need to type your email here. My email is jean.dipalabrica@gmail.com, and then click next, and then I will type my password. Oh, I forgot. Okay, and then you will be facing this one. So you have this option, new Google Ads account or switch to Google account. Okay, of course we need Google Ads account. We are here because we want to create a Google Ads account. So you just need to click this one. Yeah, so you will be here. You will be here because this thing is to get started to have a Google Ads account. I mean Google Ads campaign. So, if you are not familiar with any advertising, if you don't know on how to do it, you don't need to click this and proceed next. All you need to do is to click the switch to expert mode. Yan, charan. So, can have this because you are not yet ready to launch your campaign, and in the future I will be managing your Google Ads account. Then all you need to do is just to create your Google Ads account, and then you can share it with me later on. So after that, you don't need to click this create an account without a campaign. Oh, and then you need to create or to submit your business information here like this. I'm on the Philippine peso, then submit, change the URL, I change the country, and then you're done. Explore your account. So after that, you can create all your campaign here, or your Google Ads campaign manager like me. So in the future, I will be managing this dashboard, but you will be sharing with me your Google Ads account. In that situation, I am managing your Google Ads account in your behalf. So the question is, what if I don't want to share my email to you? What will I do? Of course, you need to share the access to me. You need to share an administrative access to me. So how to do it? Let's get started. Okay, so to add me, because you don't want to share your account, you don't want to share your password, your number, or whatsoever it is. So all you need to do is to go to tools and settings, click account access, and then click this plus sign button, meaning add, then type my email here, and then click this one. Okay, example, I will need to type my other email, which is the genius SEO@gmail.com, and then you need to click the admin, because if you will click this, I cannot manage everything inside. So all you need to do is to click the admin button and then send the invitation. So I will check my email, and then boom, I can have the access to your Google Ads account. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.